We are already on day number 3, and moving right along through the system. Today's lesson is simple, but extremely powerful for you. It also is enormously beneficial to your bottom line. Now I know you are anxious to start getting email subscribers, but we have just 2 more quick things to accomplish to make sure we maximize our revenue from the list building efforts. In this step, we are setting up follow-up emails, and then setting them up inside of our autoresponder. I would recommend we come up with a sequence of 5 relatively short emails that introduce people to who you are and what types of information they can expect to receive from you in their inbox. The follow-up emails serve multiple purposes, including getting your email subscribers in the habit of opening your emails, gets them to know, like, and trust you, and further allows you to sell them automatically on your own products or affiliate products. The best part is that once you set up your follow-up sequence, it can be generating you autopilot cash for years. That means each new email subscriber will start at the beginning of the follow-up sequence. You can have 5 follow-up emails in your autoresponder or 200. It is totally and completely up to you here. Just keep in mind, when you set it up for you, it is hands-free money. So, let's begin to write 3 to 5 email follow-up messages for this step. The first email should cover who you are, what they can expect to learn from you and your company, what kind of emails you will provide for them, and let them know how often they should hear from you. If it is daily or weekly, let them know that. After your introduction email, we can create further emails that deliver value to your subscribers, like links to articles or blog posts created by you. In the 3rd through 5th emails, you can promote one of your products or a related affiliate product. This means you find a relevant product related to your market, grab the affiliate link for that product, and pre-sell this product to your list. You will be surprised how over time, as you build your list, how many people will come across this automatic follow-up email, and click the link and buy direct from you. After you write your emails, it is time to insert them into the autoresponder sequence of the autoresponder software you chose, like Aweber. Day number 3 assignment: start to write 3 to 5 follow-up emails and insert into your autoresponder sequence of choice. This is a simple, but easy assignment to complete. If you have questions on what should go into a follow-up sequence, you can look back at email lists you have joined to see what they are doing in their initial emails.